Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making a complete breakfast using the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. Normally, to be honest, I would not fry eggs in the air fryer. I would just rely on the stovetop. But I know there's people out there, because I do get comments from time to time, that they are relying on their air fryer, either their stove or oven broke. Or if you're a college student and air fryers are allowed in your dormitory, you can make a complete breakfast using the air fryer. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I will be just using one potato today since Jim is the only one that's going to be eating this. This is a medium size. It is an Idaho potato. I'm going to take my potato peeler and peel this. Okay, I'm back. My potato is peeled. Now I'm going to take my grater and I'm going to start shredding this up. Now, I'm not going to mess around letting this soak in cold water to get the starch out. If I were to soak it in cold water, I would have to get a cheesecloth or tea towel and strain out all that excess water. I'm not going to mess with that. If you want to do that, that is perfectly fine. I'm all about easy. I think we'll be just fine without doing that. I'm going to take some olive oil spray and spray my basket. Since I'm just doing one medium potato, I think I'll make this into one big hash brown. Move this to the side. And I'm just going to plop all this in here. And then I'm going to flatten it out. I don't want it too thick. Okay, that looks good. If you wanted to, you could add some onion in here. I'm just going to make this basic today. Now I'm going to salt and pepper. Okay, we are ready to pop this in the air fryer. Okay, I've never done hash browns in the air fryer before. I'm going to start out at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. We will check this about 10 minutes in or so. Okay, we are only 5 minutes in. What I am going to do is I'm going to spray a little bit of duck fat on this. You don't need to do this, but I'm doing it for some extra flavor. Now I'm just going to pop that back in. You can also use olive oil or whatever kind of oil you would like. Okay, we are 10 minutes in. These are looking good. I'm going to flip this over. Let's pray that it does not stick. Excellent. It's already crisping up. Oh, this is not going to take much longer at all. This is looking good. I'm just going to let this go a little bit longer. We have 5 minutes left. I'm not sure I'm going to let it go that long, but I will certainly let you know the total cooking time on this. Okay, we are a total of 12 minutes in, and these hash browns are ready. They are crispy. I'm going to plate this up. Here are the hash browns all plated up. Now, I'm not going to be able to take a bite for you because I'm doing low carb, but they are nice and crispy. All right, I have my frozen sausage links into the air fryer basket. Let's go ahead and pop these in. Okay, I could either set this probably at 380 or 400. I think I'm going to go with the 380 for 8 minutes. Halfway through, I will turn the sausage links over. I will let you know how long these took. Okay, total of 8 minutes for our sausage links. I did take a temperature to be safe, and they are ready. Okay, for our eggs, you're going to need some sort of dish that will fit into your air fryer, and that is also oven safe. I am going to be using my handy dandy pizza pan. Now I'm going to take some oil spray, which again, I'm going to use duck fat. You can use avocado oil, olive oil, whatever you prefer. I'm going to spray my pizza pan. I'm just going to crack my eggs right into the pan. And I broke the yolk, and I'm going to have to do that one over. Gosh darn it. Okay, let's try this again. And one more. Okay, I have my eggs in here. We are ready to pop this into the air fryer. We want to put this in gently. We don't want to break them yolks. Again, I have not done this before. I have the temperature set to 350 degrees. I just put it on 8 minutes. I'm looking for more like an over easy egg. If you like them more cooked, do longer time. You're just going to have to keep an eye on it. Okay, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So over easy took 5 minutes at 350 degrees. And here is our breakfast, all done in the air fryer. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you are looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more you can check out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.